To utilize Kroger Pay, begin by opening the Kroger smartphone app and signing into your account. Ensure your phone's location services are turned on or activate the App Store mode. Next, click on the hamburger menu located at the upper left of the screen. Then scroll down until you see the Kroger Pay button and select it. You will then be prompted to enter your verification code or 4-digit Kroger Pay PIN. After entering your PIN, scan the Kroger Pay QR code on your screen to activate the Kroger Pay mode. Finally, scan your purchases to complete the payment. When using Kroger Pay at a self-checkout counter, whether at a fuel station or store, first check the self-checkout kiosk to see if it displays your purchase order. If it does, click Pay Now and under the Select Your Method of Payment option, choose Mobile to complete the payment process. If you encounter an issue during the payment process, where the self-checkout kiosk screen displays Mobile Payment Forms Accepted and a Scan Mobile Payment screen, but fails to register your payment, you will need to restart the process. This is because the system failed to register your payment, so restarting will allow you to complete the transaction successfully. By following these steps, you can easily use Kroger Pay for your purchases.